To draw a curved ornamental wall sections, simply select the object from the architectural drawing menu. Once the insert point is set with the first click, we can change the height and the thickness in the Properties pane. With the F5, F6 function keys, we can define the alignment axis, and moving around, set the endpoint with a second click. The mouse cursor is now attached to the grip on the curved part of the wall. So by simply moving the point, we can define the wall curvature. Once the ornamental wall has been inserted, you can select it with the additional grips at the ends and define a different angle, the length, using the intersections with other objects too. These features are very similar to those already described for the arc envelope object.